In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Shopify Payments account when it's on hold. If you're running an online store, you know how crucial it is to have your payment systems running smoothly. A hold on your account can be frustrating, but don't worry, I'll guide you through the steps to resolve this issue. First, understand why your account might be on hold. Holds typically occur due to issues like unusual account activity, incomplete account verification, or policy violations. With that in mind, our initial step is to check any emails or notifications from Shopify. These messages will often detail the reason behind the hold and provide relevant instructions to address it. Head over to your email inbox associated with your Shopify account and search for any recently received emails from Shopify. This effort can save you time and give you immediate insight into what's required. Once you know the reason for the hold, it's time to address it directly. If the issue is related to document verification, ensure that you have submitted all necessary documents. These might include identity verification documents, such as a government-issued ID, or business verification documents like your business license. Log into your Shopify account, navigate to the Settings section, and then click on Payment Providers within it. Here, if additional information is needed, you'll see a prompt asking for document uploads or verification. If your account hold is due to unusual activity, such as a sudden spike in sales or transactions from different locations, it's a good idea to reach out to Shopify support for assistance. Communicate clearly with them, explaining any recent promotions or activities that might account for the unusual activity on your account. Should you have any policy violations, it's vital to review Shopify's acceptable use policy. Make sure your products and business practices comply with these rules. If any changes are needed, update your store to align with policy requirements. After making these corrections, getting in touch with Shopify support is crucial. Explain the changes you've made to ensure compliance, which will help expedite the process of lifting the hold. In this process, patience is key. While most holds can be resolved swiftly, some might take a little longer, depending on the nature of the issue and required follow-up actions. Keep checking your email and account notifications regularly for updates. A few tips to prevent future holds include regularly updating account information, keeping transparent business practices, and promptly addressing any abnormal activities or notifications from Shopify. So there you have it, a straightforward approach to getting your Shopify Payments account back on track. Remember, clear communication and compliance are your best friends in resolving most issues. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you keep your online store running smoothly. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing for more valuable insights and guides.